So we go into construction straight away. The first thing we do is to bring a ruler. And we draw our first line as long as possible. From there, we want to, first thing to do is to construct line PQ, which is 5.8. 5.8 requires that we bring a compass. Okay, we can mark this place as point P, and we'll come to our, let's come to our ruler and measure PQ to be 5.8. Your compass here along the ruler and you extend to a radius of 5.8, which is this place. Okay, 5.8. We come back and we'll mark off where point B will be. So quickly we label it P, point P, and point Q, which is 5.8 centimeter. I'll place them appropriately. We have point P here, and we have point Q here. 5.8 in this place. The next thing we want to do is to construct angle PQR, which is 105. If you check, 105 is same thing as 90 plus 15, give us 105. 90 plus 15, give us 105. Okay, or you say 180 minus 75. We saw how to construct angle 75 the other time in example 1. So we come back here. Yes, with convenient radius, we draw arc. Since the angle is at Q, then we can come back here so as to draw 60 degree. We draw 60 degree here. You know that definitely if from here to here is 60 on this angle on the straight line, the remaining is 120, 60 from 180. So it is from that 120 we want to subtract 15. But to do so, we need to construct angle 90 degree. A line perpendicular, a line through Q, perpendicular to these two arc here, perpendicular bisector of these 2 points. So I can extend my compass to a convenient radius. I draw arc. I come to the other end at center. I construct another arc. Construct another arc. So place my ruler correctly and move down here to draw a perpendicular line, which will help us form 90 degree there. Okay. We draw it just in 90 degree to have 90 degree there. Now, from here to here is 90 degree. From this place to this place is 60. That means the gap here is 30. We had additional 15. If you bisect this gap, we can have 15 that will add to this 90 here to form angle PQR being 105 degree. So what we simply do is that we'll come to these points, convenient radius. Let me adjust our radius. I want to draw arcs. Since our line will pass through, we go this way. Ensure your arc pass through the possible routes that the line will pass through. Then I come to the other end here to draw another arc. Okay. Let me change pen so that the arc will not look alike. So on this place, I draw the first arc. Then I come back here. From there, I want to draw the second arc. All right. So the two meets at that point. Let me place my ruler. Just the ruler a bit. Okay. So from here, I join line QR along that red intersection of the red arcs. So from here, I come back and search the angle here from this place to this place now is one, the angle is what we call 105 degrees. So that is angle 105 degrees. The angle is 105 degrees. Now, the next thing for us to do is to come back and say, they said PS. PS is 8.5 and PR is, and of course, we don't know point S yet, but since this one is PQR, but PR is given to be 8.1, so we can get PR. R is along this line, it's along this line, so we don't know, but the gap between P and wherever R will be is 8.1. So that implies we need to bring our compass, to the ruler and measure. We measure 8.1, that is PR. P to R, 8.1. Okay, so come back here. Come back here. Let me change the color so that the arc will not be the same. Mark off this. So this is point R here. R is at this place. That is where this blue arc and the black line intersects. Now, the next thing we want to do is that we know that since the collateral is P, Q, R, S will be somewhere here within this region. But we don't know where it will be yet. But we know that P to S is 8.5 first. And that's not enough because to locate a point under construction, it's either you are giving two lines, intersection of two lines, or intersection of a line and an arc, or intersection of two arcs. That's what determines a point, not just one arc. So, and if you say PS is 8.5, and we just flip we just move our arc, construct arc, the arc, we won't know at any point on that arc where we can locate our point S. So in that case, we revert to where we have QR is parallel to PS. QR, this one, QR is parallel to PS. So in that case, that means if we want to draw a line parallel to this line, line QR, the line will go this way. So you know, we draw a parallel line. We imagine that we want to construct a parallelogram, and we come here with radius QR, with radius QR, radius QR here. With radius QR, come to point P to construct arc. Point P to construct arc. Okay. And also with radius PQ. With radius PQ. And with R being our center this time, because we know that when you are constructing parallelogram, we imagine that point RS, opposite side of parallelogram are equal. RS will be equal to PQ. That's why we measure the radius to be 5.8 now. So we go this way to construct our arc. So we have this. From there, we place a ruler to draw a line through R parallel to PQ. A line through R parallel to PQ. So it goes this way. Now, the line that we have, it is along this line that we locate S now. Unfortunately, come back to the information we have PS to be 8.5. PS is 8.5, meaning that if we bring our compass down, 8.5 and extend to 8.5 there. Okay. So come back here. I want to see where to cut. Oh, that means we need to still extend that line, that parallel line. We need to extend it to where we have this one here. Let me bring the ruler back there. So, and I extend the line where the line through R. Extend this way. Now we can locate point S here. Point S is now here. I can now use my ruler again. Okay. Okay. So I join points PS to complete the quadrilateral, and we have it this way. So this is our quadrilateral. It's ready. And that is PQRS. Okay, we go back to the question we have to the first locus. The locus of points with distance between P and Q. that is perpendicular bisector of the line PQ. Because of points equidistant, that is of equal distance between P and Q, is a line that is perpendicular that passes through here. Is the one that is the symmetry of points P and Q. And to construct that, so we extend the compass a bit to convenient radius, we construct arc, come back to the other end, okay, as well construct arc. So we go up there, with P as center also up here. I want to construct arc because you construct it on the opposite end. Okay, let me change the color. So black. So construct arc. I'll come back here. Okay. That's where we construct arc. So all we do now is to join the 2 points together. Join the 2 points together. Use a dotted line. We have this. These are first locus. L1. Then the second one is locus of points equidistant between PQ and QR. Between PQ and QR is bisector of the line PQ and line QR. So in other words, the locus of points that is equal distance between line PQ and line QR is the bisector of the angle common to them, which is angle Q, PQR, this angle Q. So what we want to do now is to construct bisector of angle Q. Angle Q meets line PQ at this place and extend up to this place, R at this place. So we place this place as center, adjust our system a bit, change pencil range. So I construct this. I also come to this place at the center so that I can construct the second arc as well. So construct the second one. And from there, we adjust our ruler. So as to draw the second let me use the same type of line. So for that, L2, that is L2. We said where L1 and L2 meets. Let's quickly check where L1 and L2 meets. We already got L1, we got L2 to PQ and QR. Okay, let us go back to the question and check what we have there. Construct L1, point of equidistance between P and, okay, sorry, it's P and Q that we had there. It's P and Q that we actually have constructed. So P and Q, I want to quickly adjust this, P and Q, equidistance between P and Q. And the second one is equidistance between two is PQ and QR. PQ and QR. And they said where the two of them meet, we have Y there. And we have to measure QY as well. QY, we want to measure QR first, then angle PSR and QY. These are the three things that I want to quickly look at, where Y is the intersection of L1 and L2 from Q to R. From point Q, so where R is there, if you look at it carefully, that is centimeter is there, that is 0, 2, 4.5. 4.5. So we can write our QR as 4.5. QR also 4.5 centimeter. Then the next one is to measure angle PSR. Angle PSR. Angle PSR. PSR, the angle here. So for us to measure the angle, let's bring a protractor to that place. Ensure these points S align with the center here, and this line align with this straight line. So we move it to this place. When we estimate what we have there, this is exactly 30 degrees. This is 0, 10, 20, this is 30. That means the angle between here is 30 degrees. So we say number 2, angle PSR equals to 30 degrees. And lastly, QY. Since we are given that Y is located at the intersection of the two loci L1 and L2, this is where the two of them, this is where they intersect at these points. So, and we have to measure QY. We as well go remove a ruler on this from point Q here, let it align well, and to where Y is there. That should be okay. Let me see. That should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5.2. 5.2. So we write out our QY being 5.2 centimeter. So this is where we end this quadrilateral. Do subscribe to this channel, as other topics, the videos on other topics will soon be uploaded. so that you can benefit from it as well. And do share the video across to your friends so that they too can benefit from this series of videos for secondary school students. Thank you.